So I'm going to teach you how to make Fenty Beauty Lava Dupe. So yeah guys, what you need is going to be quite simple. You'll need a bottle. I got this one from the dollar store. And you'll need, I mean, you can keep it in anything. You'll need some coconut oil and some highlight. You can use any highlight. I'm using Laura Geller because this is the one that I have that cracked. But you can use any kind that you want. Just make sure it is something that is glowing and something that will enhance your skin tone. I have some already made here. If you can see that, it looks very gold and shimmery, like lava, like Fenty Beauty. You're going to take some of this coconut oil. I have some organic coconut oil. I melted it down by putting it in hot water. So I put this in hot water. I melted it down a little bit, right? Boom. Okay. You're going to take the top off. Make sure you don't get it all over the place. I'm going to put it on my arm before I lay it down because no waste, right? No waste either. This is horrible lighting, but we're gonna continue because this is a gem. It really is. I use this whenever I'm going to like you can use it when you're going to the pool to tan with. You can also use it to like go out at night with. You can use it you know, just anytime that you want to, you know, make your skin you know, really sheen and glowy like. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to take this melted down coconut oil right here and put it in here. So boom, has a hair on it. All right, so boom, and it's going to take some of this and pour. Yeah, okay, that's enough. So pour some in there. Boom, first step. Okay, so I have also this it was some Laura Geller like highlight. I'll put down below if you guys want to see like makeup tutorials or like beauty tutorials, because I'll be doing my makeup and stuff sometimes. So let me know if you guys are interested in that, because I'm still trying to kind of find my way in what I want to speak about, what I want to inform people on. So yeah, let me know what you'd like to see based upon the videos you've already seen and give me some suggestions. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to take some part that's cracked, because that's why I'm using it, because it's cracked. So I'm going to take this little piece right here. You probably can't even see it, but it's there. And you're going to put it, you're going to like kind of mush it between your fingers. It's going to kind of make a mess, but you can put it on your body, so it's cool. So you're going to put it in here like this. I know I probably got the illest ugly face going on. Watch my face. Okay, so you're going to really just grind it up in there like that, like that, like that. Okay, and then you can just put the rest. Boom, one right there, right on the collarbone. Boom, boom, boom. All right, and so then you're gonna swirl that around in there. Yeah, you're nice and swirly. I'm gonna put another one in there just because why not, right? So I'm gonna put this in there as well. This little, it's a nice little sized one. Okay, so we're gonna put, break that up with our fingers again. I got stuff all over the place, but it's cool. It's cool. We're just gonna put that right there and bow on our neck too. So then you want to put your cap on. Then you want to shake. You see how it's like lumpy in there right now? Like it's like a little bunch of little like, yeah. So you want to make sure that you can like kind of mix it as much as you can so that you don't get that kind of look. Yep, because once it's mixed, you just want to go ahead You can even like re-melt it with that warm water and just kind of put it in there, because I mean, I think that's probably okay too, because what you want to really do is just have it in there enough for it to melt a little bit, and then you want to, y'all, let me be careful with this white ensemble, okay? So I'm going to just spray a little bit here. Boom. Y'all can maybe see it a little bit, but just kind of rub it in, get it all over your shoulders. It's really nice right there. Put it on your neck. You see how different it looks? You see how it's like a little sheen. It's a little different from this part of my arm. You can kind of see a little difference. I'm about to lather this stuff on, but like I said, this was just a quick little video. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see more videos on. By the way, these are my nails. Do you like them? Do you like them? Okay, so I'm just gonna spray this all over my body, including my legs, and I will see you guys later.